Hey guys, welcome to a new Daily Outlook. Today is the 19th of April 2021, and in today's Daily Outlook we're going to be discussing the DXY, some major and some minor currency pairs. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So to start off with the DXY, what are we currently seeing? Well, we reacted to this minor swing low over here, and for a moment it seemed as if we were going to see some bullish price action back to this previous level of support over here and the trend line. However, did this not occur? So what are we currently seeing? Well, we're currently seeing some more bearish momentum. However, price is just really choppy. So what am I waiting for? I'm still waiting for the same as I mentioned last week. I'm waiting for this major swing low over here to get hit, to either see the fake out back up towards the upside or the impulsive break of this major swing low and this major key point of price, so 91.3. And I'll be then waiting to see either the break retest or the fake out. So we're either going to be bullish if we see the fake out on this major swing low over here, or we are going to be bearish once we see an impulsive break of this major swing low with a retest of it and then our bearish confirmation. So that's what I'm waiting for on the DXY. For the rest, not much to say on this pair. So with that said, let's head over to AUDCAD. And AUDCAD has been moving beautifully. As we can see, once we had this bullish fake out on the major swing low over here, we start moving very impulsively and very bullish back up towards the upside. So what can we currently expect from AUDCAD? Well, as we can see, we're currently break and retesting this major previous reversal area. So this major previous reversal area is now acting as support instead of resistance. So as we can see, we made the double bottom over here and we hit the 382 and we had a break retest of this level. So I would personally not be surprised if we start seeing some more upside once again. However, we are currently rejecting the highs over here. And above these highs is a lot of liquidity, so I wouldn't be surprised if this is just going to be a pullback before pushing further down to, let's say, the 0.5 or even maybe lower back down to this area of liquidity at the 786. However, doesn't have to happen. As we know, we can also just keep on moving bullish. So what am I looking for if we move bullish? Well, then I want to see a break of the highs and a retest of them. So break of this major high over here, then a retest of the highs, and then more bullish confirmation before taking another trade towards the upside. So yep, that's AUDCAD for you. So with AUDCAD discussed, let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar is currently at my reversal area. After breaking out of this 4-hour descending trend line, we can see that we hit my reversal area over here. So what am I currently waiting for? Well, I'm currently waiting for a further push towards the downside. So I'm currently waiting for a push towards the downside. I would love to see more downside on this pair. So let's say a push back down towards this area of liquidity over here, just below the 618 Fibonacci level. This would also be perfectly in line with a retest of previous resistance, which should now act as support. So most of the times when trend lines break, they are retested. Hence why I will be looking for some short-term downside before most likely moving further back up towards the upside on this pair. So currently just going to be waiting for a short on Aussie dollar. How would this look like? Well, at the moment we're currently situated within this area of consolidation in between support and resistance. So what do we need to see? Well, we need to see either a break of the lows with a retest and bearish confirmation, or we're going to need to see a bullish breakout, because of course that could also occur. Fibonacci levels do not have to get hit and trendline break retests do not have to be made. That's something that we have to keep in mind. So we have to evolve ourselves together with the market. So if we see a breakout of this area of consolidation with a retest, I will be looking for longs. So with that said, let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is currently respecting our trend line over here. So this previous ascending trend line is now being respected. As we can see over here, we had this trend line touch just above here, just above my potential reversal area. So what am I expecting from pound dollar? Well, I'm expecting more downside, if of course we get enough bearish confirmation. So after completing this Fibonacci sequence, as we can see, we hit the 618, and after that the minus 618 plus the trend line plus my reversal area. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a nice correction after this very impulsive strong move. So how would this look like? Well, I'm gonna be looking for a break of this structure over here and a break of this low over here. So that would be something like this, with bearish confirmation upon the retest of this low at 1.38124. So with pound dollar discussed, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And as we can see, Kiwi dollar is respecting our potential reversal area to perfection. As we can see, we had this overextended move. So let me draw on our fib levels. So first of all, we had this Fibonacci sequence, which retraced upon the 0.5. And then we had our second one over here. Let me just remove the other ones for you to make the chart a little bit more clear. So now we have our second Fibonacci sequence over here. So what are we looking for? Kind of the same setup as an Aussie dollar, looking for some short-term downside before seeing the real move back up towards the upside. So retracement back down to 618, perfectly retesting previous resistance, which should act as support upon the retest, and then look for the major move back up towards the upside. So yeah, that's Kiwi dollar for you. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a bullish breakout, just like on Aussie dollar. It could happen. So break retest of this structural level, because as we know, Fibonacci levels do not have to get hit, and trend lines do not have to be retested once they are broken. So that's the situation in which I would be looking for a break retest. So just the break of this area of consolidation would be more clear on the 1 hour time frame. As we can see, we're just consolidating in between here and here. So yeah, just waiting for direction on some of these pairs. So let's see. Some good moves in the market are expected this week. So yeah, if you have any questions regarding any other pairs, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys in tomorrow's video. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Thanks guys.